Ted's crops are not doing well, and his costs are skyrocketing. Frank tells Ted how smart farming has helped him increase his crop yields and reduce his costs. Frank tells him that AIS technology offers starter kits that he can test out before investing in a fully fledged smart system. Ted logs on to aistechnology.mt and orders his starter kit. Ted sets up the system quickly and easily. Convinced that smart agriculture is the way to go, Ted gets in touch with AIS Technology for a custom package. Now, Ted can monitor his farm anytime, anywhere, with real-time data, automatic alerts, and trigger systems. He can spend more time planning how to invest his profits. AIS Technology. We ship the sensors, you plug and play. Simple. aistechnology.mt